Rigga adjustable clothing rack from Ikea. Everyone, welcome back to the Clueless Dad. Today we're going to assemble another Ikea product. This is the Rigga adjustable clothes rack. I'm going to get started in time lapse while I explain a little bit more about it in P&P. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. So yeah, this is not the most bare bones, but basically one step up clothing rack, portable clothing rack. It's on wheels. The height is adjustable. The width is 111 centimeters, so it's not huge. It's basically this long. And it has a rack, kind of some bars going across, so you can put stuff on it when you're rolling it around, or you can keep shoes underneath and other stuff on top if you're keeping it stationary. So yeah, I've actually already had one of these for multiple years. I don't even remember how many years. In my previous house in Hong Kong, and I'm basically buying it again. So that tells you it's not that bad. There's a cheaper one. I don't remember the exact price, but there's one with no wheels and no adjustable that's, slightly cheaper, but obviously a lot less useful in that respect. I had the Turbo. I've done a video of it, which is like the fancier one, which is more like a coat rack in my office for a while. But since I moved out of Hong Kong, we got rid of all those, and I had to buy another one for my new house, and I decided, okay, time for the Rigga again. Based on my experience, it doesn't rust. We actually left it on the balcony for a while, so it was kind of exposed to the elements, not directly rained on. I don't recall it rusting, but I do recall, especially when we were using it really heavily for drying sheets and blankets and stuff on there, it does come loose. So if you feel it's starting to wobble, basically go back and tighten all the bolts down on the bottom. But yeah, no complaints, and you can't complain about the price. It's $20 US in the US, and here in Japan it's currently 3,000 yen, which under the current exchange rate is actually slightly less than $20. Okay, you push that side in with your finger. Now lift up. On the top, yes, lift up. Lift it up some more. Lift up your side. I'll hold it.
Now it's up here.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Okay, and now we're already in 2025, and I want to do the wrap up and outro. So yeah, here you can see the actual Rigga in its real use case. We actually have two. One is this guy, and the other one is in our tatami room. We put the adult stuff here, and the kid stuff is on the other one. Yeah, we basically don't move it. As you can see, my wife got one of those plastic covers just to keep all this is like the winter coats, and that's my suit in the black thing here. And then we put a little bit of stuff on the bottom, but mostly just junk. So yeah, it's nothing special. It's not rocket science. It's pretty easy to put together. It totally does the job. It might get loose every once in a while, so just tighten up those hex bolts. All you need is the one that it comes with, which is like a 5mm hex head. But you can use anything else. I use that ratchet, as you see in the video. That works just fine even for kids. You could use a power one if you're really lazy, but it's totally not necessary. And again, for 20 bucks, even 20 bucks plus tax in the US, totally worth it. I definitely recommend it. Okay, any questions, any comments, please leave them down below. Otherwise, see you guys next time. Bye. And then what do you say at the end of the video?
Bye-bye.
And?
Subscribe right now.
And?
Like and subscribe.
And?
Ring the bell.
Okay. See you next time.
See you next time.
Say bye-bye, Mi-chan.
Bye, Mi-chan.
No, Mi-chan say bye. Okay, bye, guys.